Hi guys, welcome back to Making a Sandwich episode 3. Right, we're going to need a knife. I've been getting a lot of support recently for making these sandwiches videos. I think might become a full-time YouTuber. This isn't enough content for making a sandwich. I don't know fucking what it is. I need to get the bread, don't I? Trying to open ham one-handed is just fucking retarded, mate. What? Don't mind the kitchen towels for drying glasses, not for wanking, you little prick. Don't know why I'm doing this, because I'm not even hungry. Making sandwiches. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, I need bread. Hang on a second while we get bread. Oh fuck, it's packaged. Bread. Hopefully my mum doesn't come home as I'm doing this. It probably looked like I'm doing some This is part 2 of episode 3. I've already got 2 pieces of bread. The ducks can have that. Is this bread even in fucking date? Yeah, welcome back to part 2. I ran out of Snapchat media, whatever the shit it means. You're probably watching the first part going, what the fuck is this idiot doing? Well, I'm retarded, okay, and I'm allowed to do this my way. Right, you need to butter the buns. Fuck. You need to butter the buns like a butter your nan. Nice and smooth. I just got butter on my fingers and it feels like, yeah. One-handed. I'm not left-handed, by the way, so I probably look like a spaz. I would put my phone down, but then it's not making a sandwich proof, is it, you know? It's just how to basic make a sandwich. There. Right, okay, I'll put the phone down.